With e-business ERP systems, you can start capturing data from your sales, invoicing, quotations, prospecting, debtors, inventories, to a more robust functions of human resources like rostering, timesheet, payroll, manufacturing, asset management, and many more. We are unique in a sense that we have an online system where you can track your invoices from anywhere in the world. We have Six Sigma reporting tools apart from the normal reports of an accounting software. You now will be directed to view our quick demo of our ERP system. So let's get started with ERP systems demo. Once we have set up the security certificates in your particular devices that you're going to use to connect to our server, you can then notice there is an icon on your desktop. You can click on this icon to log in using your username and the password, and then you'll be directed to the home page. Now, as you can see, our system is responsive, and we have a nice icon out here that makes the design more fluid, so you have more space in the middle to walk, a wider space. These are what we call it a module panel. That's on the left. These are the modules that is available. Each and every module will have 3 sections: transactions, reports, and maintenance. And of course, we also have a quick menu on the top. This design is responsive, so if we can use this window button to see how it looks. If you're going to drag your screen, it has a hamburger menu. If you can access this from your mobile phone, you can click on this to get your listings. We'll go through quickly into all those process briefly, mostly showing you how you can use a vet monitoring system together with our sales module. These are the quick menus accessible from your mobile devices. Products and services, of course, for line items, for invoices or quotations, you need products or line items. It can be either physical products or it can be a service products. If it's a physical products, of course, you want to know the movement of your stocks, so we can always customize it to suit your locations, so you know how your stock is moving from each warehouse or each locations to the other ones. We have a very good reporting system whereby each and every sections you can always print it in PDF or an Excel file. So it gives you a easy access to all your critical information. Of course, the home page has got icons, so you can quickly go to a particular process. And we have a stock master reports, whereby you can enter your stock, edit, or even allocate a tax item. This software is customized for Fiji market, and each and every line items can have multiple tax, sales tax. If you want to add more tax, you can always go and add to this particular. And in future, if there is a more textures are there. You can always go out to our developer tools, transactions, text rates maintenance, and quickly add it out here. Simple as it is. Each and every processes can also have print button and export to CSV file. You can always go to invoicing and see all the invoices listed in this particular table out here. So you can have critical informations, and you're going to have real-time data on your dashboards. How much invoice you have raised, and how much refunds, and how much is total owing to you. Real time on your fingertips. These are all the invoices. As you can see, all the tallies, totals of that, everything is out there. You can always go and reprint a particular invoice, which will be a copy sale. Always click on the sign invoice, which will sign that FRSCS, and the PDFs will get generated, and you will see copy sale. And of course, there is a verification link. You can always go and verify. And if you want to print this, there is a QR code. If you're going to verify, you can click on verification link. It will take you to Texco invoice verification. It's verified. It's a beautiful system Fiji government has developed to capture data online. Good for the business, good for their record keeping as well. We suggest you to go on a cloud-based systems. So after printing a particular copy of your invoice, you can always go to the invoice listings from this menu or create a new invoice. Creating a new invoice, you can always go and create invoice. I'm testing these applications in the busiest time, which is 1:45. Everybody is accessing online, so this is real time online. You can see how robust the system is. It's fully cloud based. Access. Each customer can have multiple account numbers, so we can set it up. And each customer can have multiple branches. And you can always link a particular invoice to a particular projects if you're going to use a project system, project costing module, which I'll show you shortly after this. Okay, testing. Or you can leave it blank for now. You can enter LPO number if you want, and of course your department, your cost centers. If you have any projects, you can link it up to the projects as well. Please. You can always text. If you want to change the price, you can always change prices. You give it real-time calculations. So testing. And once you fill up the line items, you can always go and create invoice. And we're going to go and actually sign this invoice with the VSDC. Here we go. It's easy as possible. Your invoice is raised. You can always print your invoice, and you notice the PDF copy gets printed. You get normal invoice. The verification link. You can go back to the invoice listings. you will notice this is the invoice that's generated, and how much VAT you're paying, how much STT, plastics. If you want to reprint, you can click on this button. Or if you want to create a credit note, just right there, you can just go to this button out here and create the credit note. Now, the amount you're crediting, the quantity, should always be less than the invoice amount. If you're gonna do more, of course, the system won't allow you to do it. So imagine you are not deleting any line items. You are just probably, this was the goods written off or overcharge, or just returned to the store. Or if it is a reverse overcharge, you can probably say, hey, I'm not gonna charge this. I'm gonna probably get a refund. I don't want consulting fees on that particular invoice. So you just go and delete the particular line items and click process credit. The process is same. You need to sign a particular refund invoice. Once this gets signed to the VSD, it returns. See how fast it is, how beautiful the system is. And you're going to click on the print credit note to print this information. And this is the credit note, normal refund. You can always go and verify by clicking, or you can print and do the QR. You can also use quotations, which works exactly like invoicing. Quotations is out here under the sales management, under transactions, which will be a pro forma invoice generated. And you can always go back and convert a particular invoice to a particular quotations to invoice. So if you look at the sales, we always have a sales prospecting module whereby you can collect your data, leads, tenders, and what you can do is, and then you can create quotations. You can also use our projects module where you can do job costing, the whips. Example of these small jobs that has been created. You can do project details, accounts, stages of your costing. You can do job costing, and then you can create from costing you can raise the quotations, and from quotations you can raise invoices. And for whips, you can if you have a project that is you are doing a progressive billing, you can also do progressive billing on your projects. So any business, any industry that looking to manage their projects, this application is the best. We have tested it and it works the best. We have debtors. You can print customer statements. You can grade customers. You can see customers' transactions, all under one place. You can print customer statements. You can see customer transactions. We have general ledgers. We have asset management. We have supply management as well. You can add suppliers. You can create purchase order. You can link purchase order to your jobs. So in every month, the system will tell you how much you should be billing for your projects, how much costing, and for technician timesheet as well, rostering timesheet, leave management, and payroll, all under one. So I hope this quick demo gives you some insights to how our ERP system works. And if you have any further questions, please contact us. Our online website is your first point of contact. During business hours, we are available on our live chat to handle all your queries. We have a help desk whereby you can log a particular task. So our team online can help you out instantly. So we're going to show you a quick preview of how our help desk work. Once you register, you can log in. You can register now. As a new owner, probably you can suggest. You can give your email address. You can test. Password and click on the register now button. Then you can always go and create a new ticket. Submit. So that will give a tasking. So you will have a copy in your email, and we will also have a copy as well. So we as an online team can help you get you software going ASAP. For small to medium businesses, you can get going in 24 hours. We have packages suitable for your budget. All you gotta do is click on the particular plan that you want, add to the cart, view a cart, proceed to checkout, enter your details, and you create an order with us. We're not going to go through in detail, you can check it out. Once we receive the order and a payment confirmation, our payment is simple. At this stage, we only accept bank deposits and transfers. This is done to make your life and our life much easier and more lean. So we can deploy this instantly within 24 hours, depending on your business size and the plan you're choosing. If you're choosing a simple plan, if you're a small business, if you're choosing these plans, we can get you up and running within up to 24 to 48 hours. For enterprises, of course, we have a set processes. We like you to register with us. Step 2, we need to sign a non-disclosure agreement. TED, we're going to do your organization study. Then we're going to create a suitable pricing for you. And then we're going to sign an agreement. Then we start provisioning ERP platform for enterprises. And then we start doing business mapping. And then you go live. And ongoing training. Support is the main thing that everybody in Fiji is complaining about. Right? We have understood this industry for the last decade. We have industrial process engineering experiences, and we understand each and every industry. So the best point of contact for support will be online. So we can we create videos, training videos. We have manuals where you can instantly learn about our system right from your office or right from your home. So we don't need to actually come physically to save your time and our time. And the cost, of course, if you're going to come physically, the cost is going to increase. So do contact us for all your ERP systems. Till then, we'll see you soon.